Hello there, warriors. In our day-to-day life, we absorb or synthesize some minor toxins from food, as well as the air we breathe. If left unchecked, these toxins and waste could build up in our body over time. The pair of bean-shaped organs known as kidneys are the master chemists of our body's filtration system, playing the crucial role in filtering waste products and excess fluids from the blood to form urine. These diligent workers meticulously separate the valuable components from the excess salts, water, and waste products from your bloodstream. They reprocess the precious essential nutrients, electrolytes, and in turn maintain the body's fluid balance and regulate blood pressure. Since blood is our lifeline, keeping the kidneys healthy is a prerequisite for a healthy lifestyle. What if I told you that the hidden secret to healthy kidney function lies in simple natural foods that most of us already eat? Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to cover these amazing foods that provide nourishment and protection to your body's filtration unit. As always, the key to a healthy life is most times in simple, informed decisions and lifestyle adjustments. Stay tuned to find out the 8 foods that improve your kidney function in this ultimate guide to kidney health. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We look out for your health with amazing wellness tips for a healthy life, and we would love for you to be a part of our community of warriors. Number 1. Berries. Berries, often referred to as nature's little marvels, are packed with antioxidants, including vitamins C and E, as well as flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds have efficient anti-inflammatory properties and help to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can lead to oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can damage cells, including kidney cells, and is associated with the progression of kidney disease. High blood pressure is another common risk factor for kidney disease. Berries, particularly blueberries, have been studied for their potential to lower blood pressure due to their high levels of anthocyanins and low sodium levels. Combating against oxidative stress, inflammation, and high blood pressure, berries act as a natural defense mechanism for our body. Berries are a good source of dietary fiber, low in calories and have a high water content. The fiber can help to control blood sugar levels and prevent spikes in glucose, preventing kidney damage. These little marvels also contribute to the daily fluid intake and help to maintain weight while actively supporting the kidneys to filter waste. Berries are not only nutritious but also a versatile addition. They can be added to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, salads, or simply enjoyed as a healthy snack. Number 2. Cucumber. Cucumbers are the most refreshing and nutritious gift from nature. Being mostly constituted of water, they give a hydrating boost to our kidneys, ensuring smooth function and maintaining fluid balance. They are also incredibly low in sodium and provide a good source of potassium, which are super important for keeping blood pressure in check and improving heart health. Isn't that great? But that's not all. Cucumbers are also rich in antioxidants, being loaded with vitamin C and beta-carotene, fighting off the pesky free radicals which can cause damage from oxidative stress in your kidneys. The cucumber cooling effect goes well beyond its taste. The anti-inflammatory compounds are like little firefighters protecting your kidneys from inflammation. The hidden bonus is that cucumbers are alkalizing, which means they will help to maintain the right pH balance in your body, which ensures smooth kidney functions. You can add a few slices of cucumber to your salad or munch on them as a snack. You can even add a few slices in your water for a refreshing twist to your hydration needs. Number 3. Cauliflower. While many fresh vegetables provide for a good nutritional source that helps in improving bodily functions, cauliflower stands out among them as a vital enforcer for kidney health. Cauliflower is low in potassium and low in phosphorus, making it a star player in preventing kidney damage by lightening the workload, as these two minerals in excess can place undue stress on our filtration system. Cauliflower's rich fiber content is an incredible supplement to most diet plans. It aids in prompt digestion and indirectly supports kidney health by keeping blood sugar levels in check and ensuring that waste and toxins are effectively removed from our bodies. A well-functioning harmony between digestion and kidney health promotes overall well-being. On top of this, cauliflower harbors a majestic array of antioxidants, including vitamin C and manganese. These are valuable preventive measures which defend the kidneys from inflammation and oxidative stress and prevent damage. When it comes to using cauliflower in the kitchen, the sky is your limit. Whether you are roasting them for their crispy texture, adding them as an extra crunch in your stir-fries, grating them to use as a keto rice, or even as a healthy and nutritious mashed cauliflower, it is a great addition to your diet. Number 4. Fish. Fish is the most incredible source of high-quality lean protein. Protein is essential for tissue repair and maintenance, which is crucial when it comes to directly supporting kidney function and overall health, as the kidney tissue gets damaged over time dealing with minerals, waste, and toxins. Fish provides kidneys with the essential building blocks to maintain optimum performance levels. Here's the interesting part. Some fish like salmon and mackerel are jam-packed with natural omega-3 fatty acids, which are the most efficient weapon in the fight against inflammation. Regular consumption of fish can help to create a protective shield for our kidneys from damage. But that's not all. All fish have very low saturated fat, decreasing risk of heart disease, and the omega-3 fatty acids are also known for enhancing blood flow, maintaining stable blood pressure, and regulating heart health. This is a key factor in ensuring the efficiency of blood filtration in our kidneys. By choosing fish as your choice of protein, you are not only aiding your kidney function, but also improving your overall health and well-being significantly. Number 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is the central pillar on which is built the entire concept of the renowned Mediterranean diet, known to be one of the healthiest diets in the world with numerous benefits extending to our kidneys. Rich in monounsaturated fats, olive oil plays a pivotal role in heart health by reducing inflammation, supporting health of blood vessels, regulating blood pressure, and ensuring smooth blood flow, all of which are vital components for the optimal function of our kidneys, ensuring a smooth and efficient filtration process. Olive oil also boasts an arsenal of effective antioxidants including vitamin E and polyphenols. These compounds act as guardians of our kidney cells, protecting against free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress and keeping our kidneys safe from damage. These compounds also have potent anti-inflammatory properties, soothing and protecting our kidneys evermore. This makes olive oil a vital protective measure in kidney health as well as overall well-being. The versatility of olive oil in the kitchen cannot be underestimated, from salad dressings to sautéing and finishing a dish. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic is a secret game-changer when it comes to health and well-being. The key compound that gives garlic its flavor and beneficial properties is allicin. Allicin is the most valuable player in this team of kidney health foods, with its robust antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These qualities act like a protective shield for the kidneys, actively working to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are the main culprits when it comes to kidney damage, making garlic a vital vanguard for defense. Maintaining stable blood pressure is not only beneficial for kidney health, but also overall well-being of the body. Alongside other compounds, the allicin in garlic contributes to the relaxation of blood vessels and improves blood flow. This not only regulates blood pressure, but also alleviates the burden on your kidneys. But here's the secret. Garlic is one of the most effective protections against infection. It has potent antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can be especially beneficial for bolstering the immune system and safeguarding the body when the kidneys are not functioning optimally, hence fortifying overall health. Number 7. Onion. Onion is another powerhouse while being a versatile culinary delight. The low potassium content makes them an ideal choice in your diet for maintaining optimal kidney function. Onions are rich in potent antioxidants and flavonoids, providing remarkable anti-inflammatory benefits and enhancing overall well-being. By preventing oxidative stress and inflammation, onions actively mitigate the risk of kidney damage over time. Onions also contain chromium, a trace mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. This helps to alleviate the strain on the blood filtration system and also provides a proactive boost to our immune system. Number 8. Apples. We have all heard an apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is true in many ways. Apples are abundant in dietary fiber and low in potassium, making it an excellent fruit for kidney health and digestion. The fiber ensures prompt digestion and also produces a feeling of fullness, which prevents overeating or consumption of junk food. This makes it a valuable component of a balanced diet, providing crucial support in ensuring optimal nutrient absorption. The soluble fiber in apples plays a vital part in regulating blood sugar levels, which is especially beneficial for people concerned with diabetes. It further ensures smooth blood flow to the kidneys, making the filtration of waste efficient. Apples are also nutrients-dense, providing a range of essential vitamins, minerals, as well as hydration, contributing significantly to overall well-being. Oh, my dear warriors, keeping our bodies safe and toxin-free is our responsibility. Make sure that you stay hydrated throughout the day and include these incredible foods to boost your kidney health. My favorite is a few slices of cucumber and a few leaves of mint in a glass of water, simply refreshing and nutritious. Cheers to wellness and health. This is Wellness Warriors with another life-changing experience on how to take control of your healthy lifestyle. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the latest health tips and tricks to a better life. Thank you for watching. See you again next time on Wellness Warriors.